Our beautiful nature is truly miraculous. It has been serving billions of humans and animals for thousands and thousands of years. The forests are the lungs of the earth, and they clean our air every single day, providing life for us. Mother Nature is a force to be reckoned with. She's the keeper of everything we see and breathe. Forests are the lungs of our planet, and without them, we'd suffocate. The ice and snow found at the poles are equally important, as they help cool down the entire planet. Mother Nature truly depends on us to keep her in check. The ocean is an incredibly important part of our ecosystem as well. Without it, there would be no fish or other sea life. Mother Nature also takes care of us through animals and wildlife. The Great Barrier Reef alone supports 15% of all living things on Earth. She even provides an essential source of food and water for insects, which in turn help pollinate our crops. Animals are vital for our food chain, providing us with meat and dairy products, among other things. They help maintain balance in nature by being at the top of the food chain. Without them, many plant species would overrun the planet, leading to uncontrollable situations. On the other hand, the great sun, also a part of our nature, provides us with light and warmth. It's also essential for plants to grow and thrive. It's hard to imagine a world without the beauty of nature. The sun is essential for life on Earth, but it could have been much harsher if it weren't for Mother Nature's protective shield. Taking care of our nature is crucial because nature gives so much to us that we sometimes take for granted. So let's appreciate Mother Nature for all she does. The rainforest is even more incredible, as it covers 6% of our planet, but houses an astonishing 50% of plant species and animal species. It's like the cradle of life on Earth. When you truly consider how interconnected everything is in nature, you realize that taking care of it is not only vital, but also essential for our own survival as a species. The rainforest is another area that deserves our attention. It's home to countless species of animals and plants, and is a key player in regulating the planet's temperature. One key player in creating soil is humus, which is essential for maintaining rich and fertile soil. Humus has an incredible ability to hold on to water and nutrients, making it perfect for plants to thrive. Soil also consists of minerals like quartz or feldspar, which give it its color and texture. While we often take our soil for granted, it's a crucial part of our ecosystem and plays a significant role in our daily lives. Did you know that some plants don't rely entirely on water? They can actually draw moisture from the air. This is because the leaves have evolved to have a waxy coating that seals in moisture. But be careful. If it rains too much, these plants can suffer from waterlogging. Soil also plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by filtering and storing water. It acts as a natural sponge, absorbing rainwater and releasing it slowly over time. This helps prevent floods and droughts by maintaining balanced moisture levels in the atmosphere. It's no wonder plants thrive with this nourishing environment. Trees produce 60% of the world's oxygen, absorb carbon dioxide, and regulate our climate. They also provide us with fruit, medicines, and many other benefits. Animals and humans alike depend on each other for their well-being and survival. For example, rhinoceros beetles help disperse tree seeds, while goats maintain plant diversity by eating non-edible plants in their area. And let's not forget about the amazing work done by bees in pollinating flowers. And the ocean is home to 80% of life on Earth. It regulates our temperatures, provides food sources like fish and shellfish, supplies salt for many industries worldwide, clears away waste products from land-based sources by creating sea-based organisms like algae. It's truly amazing how Mother Nature works together. Moreover, soil isn't just lifeless dirt, it's teeming with life. A single teaspoon can contain thousands of living organisms like bacteria, fungi, and even tiny creatures like earthworms. These tiny inhabitants help break down organic matter and maintain healthy nutrients for plants to grow beautifully. The sky would be just as stunning, if not more so, without humans ruining it with pollution. We can appreciate its beauty even more when we take responsibility by taking care of our horizons. They need us as much as we need them. Without Mother Nature's vital role in our lives, we wouldn't have flowers or any other form of beauty on this planet. She also impacts us through seasons. Without her, summer wouldn't be as enjoyable as it is today. And let's not forget about the stunning beauty of the sky. It's a testament to Mother Nature's endless creativity. When we say a plant has green leaves, we mean they can photosynthesize effectively. But what's really inside those green parts? Well, they have pigments like chlorophyll and carotene. It's this combination that gives us those vibrant shades of green in nature. But there's more to photosynthesis than just green. Some plants have red or purple pigments instead of chlorophyll. The trick is to absorb as much sunlight as possible using your leaf area and the surface area of your soil to keep the roots cool and moist below ground, while maximizing sunlight above ground. That's why many desert plants have very large leaves or stems, to harness as much sunlight as possible for photosynthesis. Did you know that plants can reproduce through two different methods? One of them is through seeds, which are essentially baby plants. Another way is through spores, which are like seeds but much smaller. These spores can be found on ferns and mosses. Now let's talk about some mind-blowing facts about flowers and trees. Did you know that flowers only last for one day because they need pollen to produce fruits and seeds? Once the job is done, the flower dies to conserve energy for future blooms. And here's another fascinating fact. Trees don't die. When we see a tree stump, it's not dead, it's just resting. The tree has reached its goal of creating a big root system and is now hibernating until it receives enough energy to create more branches and leaves. Did you know that honeybees dance to communicate where the best nectar and pollen are? It's true, they spin around in a circle on the ground or even fly up in the air. If they spin around in a figure-8 pattern, they're trying to lead their fellow bees to a source of nectar outside of the hive. Now let's talk about ants. Despite their tiny size, some species can carry objects that are 50 times their own weight. And get this, they can actually farm bugs like aphids. An ant will gently groom aphids and then lead them back to other ants to feed on their tasty sap. To sum it up, taking care of our environment should be a top priority because it not only benefits the planet, but also us. By respecting and preserving our natural resources, we can ensure a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come. Thanks for joining me in this important discussion. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more engaging content. Remember, we all have a responsibility to protect our planet, one step at a time. Until next time.